when I look back at Sharmila today, she stands out as a very good example of how our youth are lured into and emotionally brainwashed by the left lobby into believing and sometimes even giving up their lives for a motivated narrative, the aim behind which is only to create further trouble and discontent among the people of the same country. An element of Gandhi's absurd logic of non-violence and as well as a revolutionary color was added to her struggle in due course of time. And by entrapping Sharmila in their propaganda-laden narrative, she was made to sacrifice her life, her youth, for something which did not lead to anything in the end, as I just said. I remember how during my days in JNU as a PhD candidate, the professors and the left students unions, how they used to glorify Irom Sharmila as an epitome of a non-violent revolution. And there are several research papers written by these same people on this subject to further their side of the narrative, to subtly give more and more credence to their oft-repeated theory that it is the Indian state and the Indian army which are the sole perpetrators of violence in the Northeast.